Hello and welcome to Miss Pam Reads. Today we are reading Piggies in the Kitchen by Meadows, illustrated by Ard Hoyt. Piggies in the Kitchen by Meadows, illustrated by Ard Hoyt. Little snouts and curly tails, pink feet jumping high. Hugs and kisses all around, Mama says goodbye. Piggies in the kitchen climb up to the top, dig through all the cupboards, careful not to drop. Squeeze out sticks of butter, flour in the bowl. Carton takes a tumble, eggs begin to roll. Glup, glup, oink, oink, pour another cup. Vroom, 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 someone's driving up. Cover up the batter, hide the wooden spoon, brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap go the blinds. Is Mama coming now? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Cow. She stopped for turtles to cross the road. Piggies in the kitchen sprinkle chocolate chips. 2 sneak the frosting and 1 piggy drips. Swish, swish, oink, oink, stir it to the beat. Vroom, 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 someone's in the street. Cover up the batter, hide the wooden spoon, brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Look. Snip, snap, go the blinds. Who's outside the house? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Mouse. Piggies in the kitchen roll the dough across, add cinnamon and whipped cream, pour the chocolate sauce. Twist, twist, oink, oink, open up the jar. Vroom, 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 piggies holler, car! Cover up the batter. Hide the wooden spoon, brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap, go the blinds, beep, beep. Nope, it isn't Mrs. Mama. It isn't Mrs. Mama. It isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Sheep. Piggies in the kitchen wipe off baby's dress. Papa yells, "Oh no! Who made such a mess?" Come on, Papa, help us. Turn the oven high. Yum, yum, oink, oink, don't forget the pie. Ding, 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 take the goodies out. Sniff, sniff, oink, oink, watch your little snout. Mama's really coming. Baby piggies stuck. Stomp, 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 stomp. Everybody duck. Mama's in the kitchen. She can't believe her eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What a pig surprise. Oink, oink, squeak, squeak. Ba, ba, moo. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. The end. Thank you for joining me for Miss Pam Reads. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you'll get an update when a new story posts. Bye.